Hello guys, welcome back to Coupon Juice. Today in this video I'm going to review the latest gaming laptop from Lenovo, and the model is Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3. This laptop comes with a Intel Core i5 processor and Nvidia GeForce 1650 4GB processor. And coming to the complete specifications about this laptop, it comes with a 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage. In top of the here we have a camera option, and along with camera we can make, if we want to just remove stickers, our camera will be over here. And this we have a power button over here. If you click this power button, you can open on this button. Then this is the top view of opening the lid. Especially allow this design very it was so attractive design. You can view this design over here, and I'm going to side. If you see this is a top mount, and left side we have a one USB and a fan, like a cooling system to and back side I'm going to show you to back side. Here we have a IdeaPad Gaming design, and back side don't have anything. And left side of your laptop we have a this one is a power adapter pin and RJ45 to connect to internet wire, and HDMI and USB and type C cable, as well as we have a micro we can to connect 3.5 jack earphones. And small, there will be one more option is there. USB, there is a power button indicator, and these are the few things about this laptop. And back side I am going to show you, nothing is there in this back side. Here you can see the back side of this one. We have good cooling ventilation system for your hard disk processor, for processor for longer time. Without cooling system, there is a previously we used a MI laptop. After using 1 year, it was a solid for 4,000. It was damaged, everything I cannot repair. If I go MI laptop was not repaired. I asked this MI center, but they didn't give me any response. They told me you have to change entire things. We cannot fix the problems for MI. Don't buy MI laptop, they are useless. And this is the backside ventilators for your processor for coolants, to control your laptop temperature. This is the overall review of this gaming laptop. Okay, I hope you like this video. Make sure subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.